everybody, back here with another video. If you are new, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it, or whatever you want to do. So I'm not going to take up too much time, so we could just get straight into the video. You guys already know this is an unboxing video. I love doing unboxing videos. It's just, I don't know, I just like to watch them, so I figured why not do them. So I got some packages in from Amazon. It's really just this package, and then oh, it's a big box. I really can't. Let me try it. Oh my god. Oh, ooh. And this big old box. So yeah, so that is what we are working with. I should have got something to open this. Pen should work. So we're gonna go ahead and order. Open this one. And I was gonna order something today, but I'm like, no, I'm just wait so I can make another unboxing video. I'm gonna wait until I got some more stuff to order. I just didn't. So if you're wondering, what do I got all this stuff for? So if you haven't heard or don't know, you guys know that I am starting a business. So there is stuff that I need. So I got some syringes, and these syringes are for when I make lip gloss, because yeah, I make lip gloss, and that's one of the items that I sell, lip gloss. So these are 60 millimeter. I was using 20 millimeter syringes, and it was just not working. It was working, but it would take so long, and I said no. I guess I wanted to get them because they were cheaper, but I'm like, no. So I went ahead and ordered 3 of these. I'll probably go ahead and order some more just because I know I'll need them, because right now I only have 4 flavors, but I will be expanding really, really soon. Now it's the big box. Yeah, I got grape, strawberry, cherry, and watermelon. And I'm telling you, I can't even pick. I know I can eliminate cherry because I like cherry, but I'm not like a cherry fanatic. And then maybe I could eliminate grape too. But between watermelon and strawberry, those are my favorite ones so far. But it might change when I add something else, because I'm trying to find a glitter one. This is horrible. Alright, did the trick. Alright. If you guys got any ideas for like office decor, let me know. Decor, I don't know. Decal. Ooh, baby. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if this is everything. I ordered so much, you guys. It says it was actually supposed to come tomorrow. So some stuff was, not tomorrow, yesterday, but it came today. So some stuff came today. Some stuff is coming next week, because I ordered even bigger stuff than this. I want to know how they fit everything in here. I bet you they forgot something, and I'm going to check something. Oh my gosh. Ooh. They know they got some tough ass tape. Ooh. Oh, shoot. Alright, guys. It's supposed to be, if that's in here, it's smaller than I thought. Say guys. Dang, I thought this. So, what we got? Okay, I got some more tubes, of course. Okay, so now they put them on here. But last time they didn't put them on there. It was all separate. Okay. They finna make me mad. Anyway, I got a shopping cart, because I just thought this was so cute, and it would have just been so cute to like take pictures with and stuff like that. I really wanted like a regular shopping cart without the color, but couldn't get it. Most of them got color on it, but this is pretty cool. I'll open it up so you can see. Little shopping cart. And then they got the little... This is so cute. This is so cute for like little girls that want to like play with their dolls. Because I'm telling you, I had an imagination growing up. I went everywhere. We went to the mall. We went to the movies. I made it all happen. I made myself a mansion, and I ain't even had... That's when it really wasn't doll houses like that. Not like it is now. And if it was, they was expensive. And baby, I made it happen. Best believe. But we had 10 bedrooms. Don't ask how. And I got this. This is a photo box. What? Let me read it. A ring LED portable photo studio. So yeah, it's basically just to take pictures with, because I want my pictures that are going to be on my site to be as clean as possible. You know how when you go on the sites and the pictures are like, it's just a white background. That's what I want. Now, I know a lot of people do like they'll use, oh my gosh, I thought this was going to be way bigger than this. Oh my gosh. But anyways, they have like the nice white background. That's how I want it to be. It's some people that do the they'll use like nature, and that's cool too. That's not bad. I might do that too, but I just want it to be nice, neat, clean. And I got some oh my gosh, this is cute. You guys, look at that. I'm sorry, my hands are ashy. But anyway, I thought this was going to be bigger than this. But this is a lot of glitter, actually, because you don't need that much just to make. So it's Hemway Silver Holographic Glitter. So be looking out for that gloss. I'll start leaving my site in the comments, but it's not up yet, so it's no point leaving it. I got some tape, because I don't know how I'm going to do packaging yet. I got some e-oil for the gloss. Here's some more tubes, and I'll order some more. Okay, what is this? Oh. This is... Oh, so this one was so heavy. This is paper. This is printing paper, because now I was going to go and get a label printer, and then you know the paper for it. It's another, this is another e-oil. Yeah, I was gonna get the paper for it, but then I just decided no, I think I'm just gonna print it out on a sheet of paper and tape it, just to save money for now, because I'm just starting off. I don't want to spend too much money. It'll be easier, but I don't really have all the money for that right now. So, and you would think all the stuff I'm ordering. I'm really cheap. I could have like $1 million. I could become a millionaire tomorrow, and I will still be doing the same stuff I was doing, because no, I'm so cheap. I'm cheaper than I realized. But yes, this is printing paper for HP. That's what I need to get. Another printer. And this right here, which I thought was gonna be bigger, but it's a pretty decent size, I guess. And this right here, it's a mannequin head, and I get it. Why is she upside down? And why they got her in a bag? She can't breathe. What is this? Oh, this like that. I guess so you could like, you know, put it on the table or something like that. I don't know. Got her in this bag and she cannot breathe. She already in a box. Let me open this up. Tina, you good? Y'all, I gave her name. Let me see if it works. I was like, I'm not gonna stick to it yet. Okay, big. Period. Period. Look at this hair. Let me see. Does she look like a... Y'all think she could be a Tina? I don't think so. I don't think this is Tina. I don't think this is Tina. I think... maybe. Tina? Tina? Did they try to give a little makeup up there? I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna have to think on the name. I think I do want to go with Tina, though. Tina, hey. Let me put it down here. What's up, y'all? But you guys, that is it for this video. I'm about to play with her, do her hair. But yeah. So you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video real soon. Bye.